गुड मॉर्निंग एव्हरीवन अँड सभी को मेरा नमस्कार आणि नमस्कार माझ्या मराठी मित्र मैत्रिणींनो. चलिए नेक्स्ट लेटर की ओर बढ़ते हैं एंड वो है लेटर यू. एज आई टोल्ड यू, यू इज a vowel. That's why it has two sounds, short sound and long sound. Short phonic sound of letter U is a. Let's see the examples. You are up. You are uncle. You are underground. These were the examples of short phonic sound of letter U. Let's see the long sound. Long phonic sound of letter U is U. 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 Let's see the examples of long sound of letter U. U. Uniform. U. Unicorn. Unicycle. These were the examples of long sound of letter U. Let's repeat it. You are up. You are uncle. You are underground. You uniform. You unicorn. You unicycle. These were the examples of phonic sounds of letter U. So we have seen two phonic sounds of letter U. Short sound, that is a, and long sound, that is U. A, U. A, U. So let's see the next letter, that is letter V. Phonic sound of letter V is va. 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 Let's see the examples. V for violin. V for vegetables. V for vacuum cleaner. These were the examples of letter V. Let's repeat it. V for vacuum cleaner. V for violin. V for vegetables. So, phonic sound of letter V is wa. Wa. Wa.